Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video we've got this Audi C7 RS6 in for a Milltek exhaust system. The Milltek exhaust we're going to be installing is a Road Plus system with also some carbon fibre exhaust tips as well. So not only is it going to sound better, it's also going to look better at the rear end as well. And this is what it sounds like now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.